Hello students, now I am going to explain the activity 2.1 of grade 10th NCERT chemistry. See what the easy problem is, student. How can you understand? Collect the following solution from the science laboratory. Hydrochloric acid. What we are collecting, student? First one is HCl. Then there sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Then nitric acid, that is HNO3, and acetic acid, that is lastly what is there, student? Acetic acid. Acetic acid means CH3 COOH, this many acid. Now again they are saying sodium hydroxide, what is NaOH, and calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, that is again KOH. Okay. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice, MgOH whole twice. Then what is ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, NH4OH. Okay, NH4OH. We can write NH4OH in the different way. Let me wait, students. Here now. So next one is NH4OH. Okay. Then they are saying put a drop of each of the above solution on watch glass one by one and test with the drop of indicator shown in table 2.1. What change in color did you observe with the red litmus? What are the litmus are there, student? It is the red litmus. First one is there, red litmus. Okay, see, student, red litmus. Okay. Next one is there, student, blue litmus. Okay. Next one is there, blue litmus. Okay, blue litmus. Last one, what you are saying, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So phenolphthalein is there, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. So these many indicators are there, and these many solution for each of the following. Tabulate your observation in 2.1. These tables are there. And next, these indicators tell us which substance is acidic, basic, change in color. There are some substances whose order changes in acidic, basic, medium. These are called the laboratory indicator. Let's us try out some. So these four indicators are there, student, and we have to keep the observation. So red litmus is there, blue litmus, phenolphthalein is there, methyl orange, and that is solution. So solution, if you are taking, student, suppose I am taking the HCl. Okay, if suppose I am taking the first solution, HCl. So red litmus solution, no change, no change. Red to red, it will be the acid, red to red. Okay, red to red. If you are taking, student, no, red to red, so HCl, red to red, it will be there, HCl solution, red litmus, no change. Blue litmus is what will happen, student. So blue to red, it will convert blue to red. Okay, blue to red. Phenolphthalein also it will be, that is blue to red only, student. Okay. Methyl orange, it will also convert quite red. Okay, methyl orange also, it will, in the both the cases, it will convert into the red only, student. Okay, both the cases will be the case of red. Okay, so let us read out the answer, student. So how to do activity? Ask us to test various acid based with the various reagent one by one. See the results. The various reagent mentioned here is pH indicator. We find out, use them, chemistry practical. First one is blue litmus. It's reagent to test the basic pH in acidic medium. pH is turned red. Okay, in acidic medium is turned red. Red litmus is turned blue. Basic medium. Phenolphthalein, no, L is silent, phenolphthalein. So it is colorless reagent. It turns pink in basic medium. Pink in basic medium. Methyl orange, it is narrow orange, pH indicator. Its pH below 3.1, it's red, and pH above 4.4, it is yellow. Okay, so methyl orange, red, and yellow. So these are there. Acidic, for acidic pH, they are showing that 3.1, these are there. Methyl orange case, this one case, if methyl orange is there. 3.1, this is red case, and 3.1 to 4.4 the orange case, and that is yellow for this. Okay, so observation is stronger acid like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid have very acidic pH, so it turns blue litmus into red and gives the red solution with methyl orange. Okay, similarly stronger bases like sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide turns red litmus into blue. With phenolphthalein they give the pink solution, and with methyl orange give the yellow solution. For weak acid and bases, the pH of weak acid and bases depends on their concentration. Acetic acid 1 molar solution has pH 2.88, so it turns blue litmus red. Phenolphthalein indicate only pH, so there is no change in the color with phenolphthalein. It turns methyl orange into red. Okay, what the inference we conclusion, student? Different pH indicator give different color with the acids and bases, and acid turns the blue litmus paper red while the bases reverse this. Bases give red color with phenolphthalein, while with the methyl orange it gives the yellow solution. Similarly, acid give red color with the methyl orange. What are the application? We use indicator in an acid-base reaction to find the end point after the completion of the reaction, and addition of the reactant changes the pH of the solution. If suitable pH indicator is present in the solution, it changes the color which marks the end point. Some extra points: salt of the strong acid and strong base like sodium chloride have pH near 7. Salt of strong acid and weak base copper sulfate have pH acidic. Similarly, salt of strong acid, strong base, weak acid, calcium carbonate have pH, basic pH. So this is all about the activity 1, student. I hope it will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.